Hi guys, can you hear me? Please type in the chat box if you can hear me. Yes, no. हेलो सर, ज्वाइन कीजिए फटाफट। मीटिंग चालू हो गई है। मैं अभी आपको बात नहीं कर पाऊंगा। हाँ सर, हाँ 1 मिनट में हो रहा है, आप वेट कीजिए। हाँ हाँ। हाय गाइस, can you all hear me? Type in the chat box if you can hear me and if I'm audible. Hi Chris. So we'll wait for 5 minutes, then we'll begin. Chris, you can't hear me? Can you hear me now? Chris? Good? So we'll start in 5 more minutes. We'll wait for other participants. It's 7:33. We'll wait till 7:35. Then we'll start. So yeah, let's start. So hi guys, I'm Parth. So I'll be hosting your webinar today, and I'll be giving you basics, and be teaching you some tips and tricks on light painting. So I hope you all enjoy this short session of a webinar. This is our first webinar. So just having a little bit issue with the internet speed. Can you all hear me now? Can you all see the slideshow? Can you all see the slideshow now? Let's start. So basically, I'm your mentor and host. I'm Parth Shah. So I go by the name Hey Traveler on Instagram. And basically, I've started light painting in around 5 years ago. I started light painting with the tubes and the blades. So I have shot more than 3,000 light painting pictures till now, and I'll be sharing you my experience of past 4 years and your tips and what you should do, what you should not do. If you have any queries or anything, we'll have a question and answer session at the last. So keep your questions till then. I'll try to answer all of the questions, and to have my profile. So I've hosted over 40 light painting workshops in all over India, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, and private workshops, and more. So recently I did a light painting shoot with a Bollywood celebrity photographer Rahul Jangiani. So this was a light painting shoot for a big brand, a big jewelry brand, a platinum brand. It was called Platinum Days of Love. Then the second brand was Platinum Evara, and the third brand was Men of Platinum. So we shot light painting for these brands, and my work has been featured on Go Airlines, Hindustan Times, the VVNC Gallery, and more. So I'll show you some of my shots I've taken. So this was one we took with our Spectra tube. This is one kind of a professional tube. Then this shot with our neon green Ace tubes. Then this is with a white Ace tube. We have covered the white Ace tube with a black tape. So only the ring can be visible in this photo. So this shot is with a new premium range of tubes, the Maverick tube. Then this is one of my favorite photos. It's from it's shot from our yellow and white Ace tubes. Guys, can you not hear me now still? Okay, you're unable to see my presentation. Okay, wait. I'll start again. I'll start again. You can see the presentation now. Yeah, so let's start. Everyone can see the screen now. Okay. So basically, this is what I have talked about. So I go by the name again, Hey Traveler on Instagram. It's HEY double underscore TRAVELER. And as I told you, I started with light painting in 2017. So I have over 4 years of experience in light painting now, and I've done almost shot 3,000 photos, light painting photos. And now recently did a celebrity shoot. We did a shoot for a big brand like a platinum jewelry brand, and I did that with Rahul Jangiani, is one of the Bollywood's celebrity photographer, and that was for a big platinum brand like Platinum Evara, Platinum Days of Love, and Men of Platinum. These are platinum jewelry brands. So these are some of the photos I have shot with our tubes. So this is one with the Spectra tube. This is our new premium tube. Then this photo we have shot is with our neon green Ace tubes. Then this is with a white tube. So we have covered the white tube with a black paper. So three-fourth of the tube was covered with black paper. So you can only see the ring. And where the black paper is, you can see through like what was behind. So this is a new shot with a Maverick tube. This is one of our new premium tubes. So this is with a again with our new tube. Then this is one of my favorite shots. So we have shot this with a orange plus white Ace tube. Again, this is with a new premium tube. This is with a amber tube. It's kind of orange, and you'll get a kind of reddish tone in this. So to begin with light painting, I'll start from the basic. I'll start from the very scratch. So even if you have no idea of light painting and you are going to start with light painting for the first time, this should help you. So basically, we'll start with how to begin with light painting and what are the equipments you need. So obviously you need a camera. So you don't need a high-end camera or any particular camera. Any DSLR or a mirrorless camera would do. It should have a long exposure setting. You can even shoot light painting on your mobile phones. But the thing is then with mobile phones, you get a less control. So can you see again? Has it stopped? Can you all see? Okay. Yeah, so basically you will need a camera and you don't need a high-end camera. So any camera would do. Then you need a tripod. So tripod is very important as this is a long exposure. So you'll have to keep your camera on your tripod for 6 seconds, 8 seconds. So tripod is a must, and you should have a tripod, a steady tripod. Then you need light painting tubes and you'll need flashlight. This I'm talking about tube light painting. There are various modes of light painting. You can do it with a blade. You can do it with a simple LED, or you can do it with any light source. But for particular, if you want to go with tube light painting, then you will need light painting tubes and obviously you need flashlights. So how to begin with light painting? So basically you'll have to mount your camera on the steady tripod and you'll have to shoot in manual mode. So put your setting to the M mode or S mode on your camera, and then uh, these settings what you see on your screen, this is what I use. So there are no specific settings that you have to use. This settings only, you can use any settings that you like. So this is what I shoot. So even if you can you shoot, if you want to shoot at f16 or f20, you can shoot at your setting. So there's, for light painting there's no particular setting that if you want to shoot on this setting, then only it will, then only you will get the then only you'll get the pictures. So I shoot at f 3.5 to f8, so that is my preferred setting. And then you'll have to keep a exposure of 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 15 seconds. As long as you want to light paint, you can keep that exposure. And then you'll have to keep a ISO. So ISO will vary according to your ambience, like where are you, when are you shooting, where are you shooting, how much is the ambient light and everything. So once you start with light painting, tell you your first 15 or 20 shots are going to be horrible. You won't get anything. But when you innovate and when you experiment, then one by one you'll get starting good photos, and then you will get a hold of it. So the more you experiment, the more you practice, the more better pictures you will get. So now if you have a tube and you have a flashlight, then how to begin with light painting and everything. So I'll display one of our tubes. So this is one of our single shade tubes. So this is a red tube. So it's completely red. It is a single shade tube. We have four variants: single shade, dual shade, triple shade, and then now latest we have launched is a premium tubes. Premium tubes are basically more than 5 or 6 colors in a tube. So basically this is a single shade tube. You'll need this tube, and then you'll need a flashlight. So we have this flashlight. So how do you put this inside a tube? So simply you turn it on and then you slide it in. So your flashlight will get fixed inside. I think it's gone off. So once you turn it on, you just put it inside. You can choose the mode. This has three modes. This is a high mode. This is a low mode. I'm not sure if you can make out of the brightness on the screen. This is high mode. This is low mode. The brightness has gone down in the tube. And this is the blink mode. Okay, so now let me slide it in. So now if you see there's light inside the tube, I'm not sure if you will be able to see the light because there's quite a light inside the room. So if you put this light, then it won't fall, it will stay inside. And then you basically have to move the tubes and make patterns. Okay, basically this is the normal funda of light painting. So once your tube is ready, you have put your flashlight and your tube, you have assembled them together. Then you have to go behind the model. If you're painting light painting with a model, then you have to align yourself perfectly behind the model so you're not seen. So while the shutter is on, your camera shutter is on, so only the model is seen. Try to hide yourself behind the model and try wearing a black gear, that is black shirt and a black pant, so you're not seen in the camera much. Okay, so once you have the tube and the light is in and your camera shutter is on, so basically you have to move your tubes in any direction. There are various patterns. There are many patterns. Circle, then there's a wave pattern, then there's a door, then there's a candle shape. So you can do everything with this. So once you have the equipment, you can try with yourself what patterns you can do. You can even move your tube in any random shape and your camera will capture those light trails. So if you want, you all can screenshot if you're watching in a mobile, you can screenshot the whatever slides I'm showing you. So this will help you later if you are planning to do light painting and if you're new with it. So this might help you later. So basically now this is a product overview. This is a product overview of our tubes and whatever products we offer. So our tubes are basically used by all professionals, and we have been in business over past 4.5 years now. And our tubes are used by experts and professionals. Our customers include Sony, Canon, Samsung, Tamron, Godox, Xiaomi. All brand influencers use this. So recently our light painting tubes were used in Delhi for Samsung Galaxy S21 launch event by Aditya Photography. People in India must be knowing him. He's a well-known photographer. He has over I think 135K followers and is verified by Instagram also. So he has used our tubes recently, and uh, if you're from South, then you must be knowing Prashant Bionic or anyone. So we have users all over India who are very genuine and have a good name. And what if you see our tubes are completely opaque? Basically, if you see the tubes are completely opaque. So the thing is, when you put light inside the tube, so none of the light is leaked. So when you put light inside the tube, so what happens with transparent tubes or tubes that has a less opacity is much light is leaked out of the tube, so that makes your tube very less bright. So when you do light painting, if you're putting 100 units of light, maybe 20 or 30 will leak out. So you'll have a very less amount of light inside the tube. So you'll get very dull colors. So if you see our pictures on our Instagram or on our feeds, or even if you see the picture that is in the background now, you'll see the vibrance in the color. You'll see the depth in the color. That is due to this thing. Our tubes are completely opaque. So whatever light you put in, that will stay inside, and it has no leakage. And if you see, the tube is very tough. Talking about the build quality, this is a very tough tube. So I will demonstrate you. So this is a very tough tube. If you can see, this is not like, this is not bending at all, or it is like very soft material or anything like that. Most of the tubes you get, those are very soft. If you press them, those will crumple, and you can't use them in water. Those are not dust free. So this, you can even wash this tube. If you have, this is dirty, you can pour water in them, or you can just wipe it with a wet cloth. So this won't harm, or this is a long life product. Even this is dust resistant, water resistant. So you all can use this. So basically, as I said, I have four variants of light painting tubes. So basically, our tube starts from 999 Indian rupees. This is 999 Indian rupees, and we have four variants. So our first variant is single shade. So as I showed you, this is a single shade tube. So single shade, this is like completely red tube. You see, only one shade throughout the tube. This is a red tube. So we have over 5 or 6 variants in this: red, blue, green, yellow, orange, pink, white. So like, this is only a red tube. This is one color tube. So this is priced at 999. So like this, we have a dual shade tube also. Dual shade is like, you'll get two colors in a tube. So if you see, this is a dual shade tube. So this is for the first part, it is blue, and then if you see, it's white here. So this is a dual shade tube. So when you put light, both the colors will be equally bright. If you use two lights, that is one from the top and one from the bottom. If you use two lights, you'll get amazing pictures. And we recommend using two lights because, as you see, our tubes are dual shade, right? Dual shade or triple shade. So if you put only one light source, what will happen is, suppose assuming you put a light on the blue end part. Okay, so if you put a light here, so your blue end will be much more brighter than the white end, right? So if you do light painting like this, you'll get pictures definitely, but then the white part of the tube won't be much visible. You'll get very dim light trails from it. So what we recommend is, you use one light from here, from this end, and then one light from this end. And as you see, the light gets fixed inside. So even while you move, this doesn't fall. Okay, while you move, this won't fall, this will stay inside. So then we have a triple shade tube also. So then this is a triple shade tube. You see, this part is pink, then there's violet here, purple, and then there's blue. You can see now, this is three shades: one, two, and three. Basically, this is a triple shade tube. So when you light it here, you'll see three colors: the pink, the purple, and the blue. I am not sure if you'll be able to make this on screen. Just a second. I'm not sure if you'll be able to make this on the screen, but you see pink here, purple here, and then you see blue here. And now a new tubes that are premium tubes. So if you see on this slide, if you see the four pictures below, all the four pictures are clicked by a premium tube. So you can make out how colorful these tubes are. And a premium tubes are purely unique, and they have like lot of colors. So if first tube you see, if you see the Spectra tube, that is a Spectra tube. The first tube I'm talking, first picture I'm talking from below. So that is a Spectra tube. This is a tube. So you see how many colors we have. We have yellow, we have orange, we have pink. This is red, then pink, then violet, then blue, then this is dark green here, and then this light green here. So this is one of our best sellers. This is our best tube, and it's very colorful. I'll just put a light inside this and show you. I hope you all can see now. This is a premium tube. This is called a Spectra tube. So apart from these are all opaque tubes, and then we have a new introduced premium tubes which are holographic tubes. So basically, holographic tubes look like these. Uh, so they have a reflective holographic material. These are hand assembled tubes. So we put a holographic reflective material inside, and you can see how pretty these colors look. I'm not sure if you'll be able to make them on screen because there's too much of light, but these give you a very good result. So this is another tube. This is a green tube. You all can see the shade here. These are two different shades. This is kind of bluish green, and this is like of green and a mix of a darker green. So these tubes are priced at 1500 bucks, 1500 Indian rupees. Triple shade are priced at 1300 rupees. A dual shade are priced at 1200 rupees, and a single shade are of course for 999 only. So if you want anything unique, and I tell you, this tubes are, we have limited stock of these tubes. I'm talking about the premium tubes. So these are very like limited. As of now, if you see the Maverick tube, that is the second photo below. So we had only 15 to 20 pieces now, and I think we launched them only in this month. Not this month, I think past 15 days, and it has been completely sold off. So we don't have any more Maverick tubes for now. So if you want, these tubes will be very rare. So even if you use, will be like one of those will have a very unique tube. Now talking about the flashlights. So these are flashlights. So you can use any flashlight inside the tube, not necessary. But if you go for a branded flashlight, that will cost you about, I'm talking about a good brand flashlight, that will cost you around 6,000, 7,000, or even 8,000 and above rupees. That is, if you go for a branded flashlight, that is very expensive because this flashlight have a lithium ion battery inside. Now, lithium is the same material that your camera, your laptop, your mobile batteries are built. So many people ask me, why are the flashlights so expensive? So I tell you, the flashlights have these kind of batteries. So these batteries are lithium batteries, and lithium batteries are kind of expensive. So that is why they make your flashlights expensive. And if you use good lights, then only your light painting pictures will be good. If you use a normal light, if you pick any light from Amazon, and if you start doing light painting, then you won't get that effect what you are expecting, because the light does not have that much of power. These lights are small, but they are very powerful, and they have three modes. If you see, this is the high mode, then this is the low mode, and this is the strobe mode. So if you use good lights, if you use powerful lights, you'll get good pictures, obviously. So these are the flashlights we offer. We had these flashlights are priced just for rupees 900. If you go for the normal flashlight, the branded one with a lithium ion battery, they'll cost you nearly 3,000, 5,000, or anything like that. So the speciality with our light is that they will fit into our tube, as you see, without any connector. They'll directly slide in. You just have to press this, turn it on, they'll slide in, and then they won't fall also. So no need of any extra connector or anything. And these are very handy and portable. You can carry them in your pocket, or it's very small, so you can carry them easily. And these are strong built flashlights. These are built up of a alloy. These are aluminum built, and these are rechargeable ones. So if you use Android phone, you'll get an Android charger with this flashlight as well. So these run on. You can charge them from here. You'll get a micro USB cord, and you'll get an adapter with the flashlights. So basically, if you want good pictures, I recommend you go for two flashlights. And as I told you, you use them one from the top and then one from the bottom. I'll again remind you to screenshot the whatever content we are sharing, so you can save them, and then you can use them for your future if you're planning to do a light painting shoot. So basically, now if I'll talk about shipping, so now what we have done is we have even enabled for people in India, you can even buy light painting tubes on EMI. So basically, what we are encouraging more and more people to buy light painting, to do light painting. So many of them couldn't buy because of monetary issues and financial issues. So now what we have done is you can even buy these tools from us on EMI basis. So basically, you can get whatever you want, and you have to pay after 90 days. You don't have to pay anything now. You have to pay after 90 days. So this will be done in 3 EMIs, and there's no interest, there's no extra charges, there is no processing fees, nothing. You can buy all our equipments, and then you don't have to pay anything extra. You can obviously drop us a mail. You have There's a procedure for it for the EMI. So drop us a DM or drop us a mail if you're interested in the EMI thing. So we'll tell you how to proceed with the EMI thing. So you can, even if you buy, suppose of you take products of 5,000, so you don't have to pay anything now. You have to pay up in 3 months in 3 installments. So this is very good idea if you're starting to begin. If you're starting, if you're thinking to begin with line painting, then I think this should encourage you a lot. Then we ship, obviously we ship all over India and globally. So Chris, your parcel is coming soon. So we have Chris online. Chris is from Germany and he has ordered quite a few things. So we are currently working on this parcel. And in India, we have now recently even started with cash on delivery. So many of our Indian customers, they want cash on delivery. So before, like, we have been in business for like 3.5 4 years now, but we did not have cash on delivery. But now recently we have started cash on delivery as well. So but obviously, when you do cash on delivery, you'll have to pay a amount extra, because this amount goes towards the courier companies. They take it as cash handling and cash remittance charge. So basically, if you're ordering cash on delivery, you have to pay a little amount of rupees 250 extra on your order, apart from the shipping. And about the shipping companies in India, so we ship through FedEx, DHL, Delivery, Express Bees. We ship all our parcels through standard shipping courier companies. So it reaches you safe, secure, and fast. So now what we are thinking to even introduce a light painting webinar online. So now, due to COVID restrictions, we are unable to host workshops. We keep on hosting workshops every now and then. If past 2 years, we have hosted more than 25-30 workshops. So we have even done private workshops. Then we even organize workshops from our end. But now, due to COVID thing, we are not able to host workshops, and we get a lot of requests when are we starting. So we have decided to start an online workshop where we'll be making batch of only 5 to 10 people, so everyone can participate. It won't be a big crowded one. So everyone can participate. They will get like kind of personal attention, and there won't be much of crowd, and we'll be talking in detail. So we'll even be talking how you can make money from light painting. So many of you think like, if you buy this product, then what, if this is for a hobby or what? But then we'll be even teaching you how you can make money from light painting. We'll be giving you some tips. Basically, we'll be teaching you everything. We'll be talking about the patterns, about light painting, about the light painting tubes, then about the editing also. Editing plays a very important role in this. So if you enroll for the workshop, then this will obviously be a paid workshop. So if you enroll for the workshop, we'll send you the link, and then we'll get you all the details about the workshop. So the workshop fees will be 1,000 rupees. If I have not written it here, so the online workshop fees will be 1,000 rupees, and it will be a one-to-one workshop basically. So you can get all your queries solved, and we'll teach you each and everything, like from editing thing. We'll give you some tips, tricks from the shape things, and even like how you can make money. What are the future opportunities, and even you can get a chance to work with us, because we keep on getting requests to do light painting for wedding photographers, for photographers throughout the country. But that, then suppose if we get a request from Delhi, so traveling to Delhi, doing a light painting there, staying there, and then coming back becomes expensive for the one who is organizing the workshop. And so mostly, then what happens is, then we have to find alternatives. So if we build a community now, so even if we get a if you're good at light painting, and suppose if we get a request in Delhi, then we can obviously recommend you. Then even you have a chance to uh, benefit from this. So these are contact details. There's a phone number. There's a screen. There's an email ID. So if you're looking to enroll, just screenshot this and contact us. Drop us a mail or drop us a hi on WhatsApp. This number is active on WhatsApp. So just drop us a mail or WhatsApp and let us know if you wish to enroll for this. So we'll let you know about more details, like when are we starting and everything. So apart from the light painting tubes, we also have light painting blades. I'll just show you the light painting blades. Can you all see the pictures? I don't think so you all be able to see. Can you all see the pictures now? Okay, I don't think I'll be able to open the pictures. So what I'll do is instead I'll increase the thumb icon size basically. Can you see the thumbnails now? So for a certain reason, I don't know why I'm not being able to open this pictures. So no problem, we'll do with the thumbnails for now. So basically these are light painting blades. So with the light painting blades, you can take pictures like this. I'm sorry that I couldn't uh, get this pictures on the full screen for some reason. The screen sharing is getting stopped when I open this pictures. I don't know why. So these are some of the pictures if you see on the screen. So you all can make from light painting. So these are light painting blades basically. So these are light painting blades. So I have put a blue color gelatin paper on top of the blade. So and this is a flashlight, we have made a blade such that when you take a flashlight from us, so you don't need to buy any additional flashlight. The flashlight will fit inside the holder and there will be screws here. So you just have to tighten them. And when you on the light, your blades will look like this. So whatever patterns you do, you can make light painting with this. You just have to move them. There are some people waiting. I'll just admit them in the meeting. Okay. Yeah. So these are blades. So now this is a diamond shaped blade. So we have over 5 shape of blades. We have the knife shape, the circular shape, the diamond shape, the circle shape, the rectangle shape, and a leaf or feather shape. So this is a diamond shape. So we have put a blue color gelatin paper to get a blue output from this. If you can put any gelatin paper, and if you don't put any paper, you will get a white. You'll get white light trails from this. So if you put it without gelatin, it will something look like this. Basically, this is a holder. So we have designed a holder in such a way that when you have to change the blade, you just have to unscrew this nuts. You remove the blade, whatever blade you want, you put it inside here, inside this, and then you tighten the nuts again, and your holder is ready. So I'll switch it on. You see this, border shining. But then this is on strobe mode. So when you move this, so you'll even get light trails, and this is kind of very handy, and this can be used for, this is a very good tool. You can use it for product photography, you can use it for pre-wedding, you can do many creative shots with this tool. These are very portable, handy, and with various shapes you'll get many options. You can make a lot of creative stuff with these tools. And this is also very durable, very hard, and this is a clear material, and it is very of high quality, so you don't need to worry about it. This, and people asking me, is this glass? Okay, no, this is not glass. This is not glass. These are very, this is a kind of hard plastic, so this doesn't break even if it falls. If you see, this is very durable. Okay, so if you have any questions, then we'll start with the question and answer thing. So if you have anything, you can bring your questions in the chat. I'll try and answer as much as possible. This is our first Zoom webinar, so we try to keep it short with our limited people. So whoever joined, thank you very much for spending your time. Can you use for, can you use, what do you use for lighting the model? Okay, we have a question from Chris. What do you use for lighting the model? Chris, we basically use a flashlight sometimes, and sometimes you use an external flash. So when you use a flashlight, basically when your exposure is on, what you can do is, if you're behind the model, you can't do anything. You'll just be with the tubes. So you'll have to tell your assistant or someone to light the model with a flashlight. So suppose if the exposure is of 10 seconds, so for 2 or 3 seconds, you can on the flashlight, and then you just have to put the flashlight on the model. So you get the model you get the model bright. What are the tubes made up of? I mean material. Varad is asking us, what are the tubes made up of? I mean the material. Varad, these are all high polymer, high grade polymer, hard fiber tubes. So these are not fragile. These are very hard. These are very durable. And this is a kind of hard plastic, a hard polymer that we manufacture ourselves. So this is not like if you put something on this, this will bend or something. It is very tough and durable. If you can hear the voice, you'll be able to know how hard these are. Can your model be in any color dress? Saichand is asking us, can your model be in any color dress? Yeah, yeah, Sai, your model can wear any dress. Any dress. If for you, it's important that the one who is doing light painting, they wear a black dress, so they don't be visible. Other than that, your model can wear any color dress. For the advanced workshop, that is for a paid workshop, we are even planning to get the model, the one we shoot with. She's a very good model, and then we have been shooting with her for from the beginning. If you see the picture, she is very steady, so even she can give you some tips and tricks if you enroll for a future workshop. So even we'll try to get her, and then even if you want to ask something to her, you can ask her. Okay, then we have, can you show me the rainbow tube on the big screen, please, again? Okay, the rainbow tube. Okay, the rainbow tube, I think Chris is talking about the spectra tube. So this is the tube. This has over 7 colors, more than 7 colors, I'll say. Cool, Chris. Okay. I'll just on the chat. Just a second, guys. The fluorescent one. You want the fluorescent one? The fluorescent as in the holographic ones? Okay. Okay, so these are those. So basically, these are hand assembled. So there's a black taping behind, so the excess light does not come out. These are, I'm talking about the premium range of tubes. So these are, so the when you put light inside, so your light will only be in this portion, and your light won't come out from here. So there's a black taping behind, and then there's a holographic material assembled, hand assembled inside. Okay, perfect. Thanks. Anything else, guys? You can ask me. We have this is a half and half more 4 5 and 1. Ravina Pereira. Okay. Okay. I'm just going through all the questions. So once I find the ones those are helpful, I'll take those questions. Chris has asked, maybe only for you, instead of using two flashlights, I can use end caps with mirror foil inside. Yeah, Chris, you can use, if you want to use one flash, you can use one flashlight. If you have a very powerful flashlight, you can use those. And then you can obviously use caps and mirror foil inside. Then those will reflect the light. Apart from flashlight, can we use rear curtain sink and speeding light to light the subject? So I'll read the question once again. Apart from flashlight, can we use rear curtain sink and speeding to light the subject? So yeah, you can use a rear sync, and you can even use a normal flash. Rear sync basically is when your shutter is about to close, your flash will fire. And a normal flash is like normally when you press the shutter, so your flash will fire. So you can use both. So yeah, yes, actually, you can use both the flash modes. So when you do that, your subject will be pretty bright. Okay, guys, we have time running out. This is a free Zoom application, so we have only 4 minutes left. The Zoom application will be closing down automatically. So I hope you all had a good learning session. If you have any doubts, so feel free to contact us. Drop us a mail or drop us a DM. Is there any pattern guide to different patterns of painting? Basically, I've prepared this pattern list for myself. If you can have a look. So I don't think you can focus this. This is my pattern list. I make notes for myself and then I put it on my board. So this is my list. Basically, if you can see, this is a circle here. So there's no kind of a guide or something. So the thing is, when you get the tubes in your hand and when you move them, then you can make your own patterns, and then you'll come to know what patterns you're good at, what things you can do, what things you can innovate. There's no specific rule book. You can do whatever you like, and then sometimes you just move your tubes in random patterns and you'll be amazed that it is very unique what you have got. So this is kind of my note I've written. If you can read, this is a circle here. Then this is a circle with twirl. Then this is a kind of flower. Sorry for the bad handwriting, guys. Then this is a door shape. Then this is a candle shape. Then this is a half semicircle shape. So basically, there are many patterns. There are if you come on a feed on our Instagram feed, then you can refer to those patterns also. So and you can there's no specific rule that you have to create a circle also. You can do anything with light painting. If that is decent, it will look good. Okay. Who among I've got a question. Who among the experts are using your tubes? Okay. So basically, these are Indian photographers who are using our tubes based the genuine and the bigger Instagram names. Okay, I've got a question. Who among the photographers are genuine and the big photographers are using our products? So, from a Sony brand influence, if you know Ganesh Bagal. So Ganesh Bagal is from Pune. He's a verified photographer. He's from Pune. He's a brand ambassador for Sony cameras. He's our client. Then tomorrow we are sending a shipment to Nimit Nigam. Nimit Nigam is from Delhi. He has around 135K followers. He's one of our top photographers and our favorite photographers in India. These are from Sony. Then from Canon, we have in Chennai we have Prashant Bionic. He goes by the name. He has around 75K followers. He works for Canon. He's a brand influencer there. And we have R Prasanna sir, R Prasanna Venkatesh. He's a Goddess influencer, Goddess lighting influencer. He also uses our products. He has recently done a video for us, so you can find the video link and the video on our website. If you go on our website and scroll down to the bottom, you will find the video of R Prasanna sir using our tubes. The video is in Tamil though, but only if you see the video, you'll get an idea of how good he is. And then from Mumbai, okay, yeah. Then from Mumbai, we have, okay, just a second. From Mumbai, we have Pritesh Rao, sir. Pritesh Rao, sir, is also a brand influencer for Canon cameras. So he works for Canon as well. And then our recent client was uh, Ashik Asim. Ashik is a brand influencer for Xiaomi mobiles. He's from Kerala. So if you go on a feed and if you check the recent shot with the Indian flag, that is orange, white, and green, that is shot by Ashik. Okay, I've got many questions. I'll just go through ones, and the ones which I'll find helpful. I'll Ravina Pereira is saying I we love your tubes. Okay, thank you, Ravina. How long do flashlights take to charge? Okay, talking about the flashlights, I've got a question. How long the flashlights take to charge? So these flashlight does not take much time. You'll get they get fully charged in about 60 to 80 minutes. You can charge them and then they have a good lifespan. So you can use them for another 40 45 minutes. So after that they'll keep on loving you. They'll keep on dimming, and then they'll keep on dimming, and then you can use spare flashlights. Can you show me the blade and the adapter once again? Okay, you need to see the blade and the adapter. So this is a blade and this is the adapter. Okay, basically also these are very strong. And how do you use them? So these are nuts here. So you open the nuts, you unscrew the screws. The screws will come out. The blade will come out. You just then whatever blade you have, you have an option of 3 and 5 blades. So whatever blade you want, you can put those inside the holder, screw them again. Then you can fix the flashlight here inside, below here, and then you see this holes. You'll be having screws here. You can tighten this, and then your tool is ready to use. Apart from this, if you have any queries, feel free to drop us a mail or drop us a DM on Instagram. We'll be glad to reply to all your queries there. So I hope you all had a good session. You all can know me. You all can tell me in the chat box if you have any questions or what do you feel about the session. We'll soon be organizing another one. Okay, yeah, we'll. I got a request to organize another one because someone joined from between. Yeah, we'll soon organize another one too. Okay, then guys, let's wind up. So see you all soon. Good time, guys. Had a good time. Thank you for taking your time out and attending the webinar. So again, if you have any queries or if you're interested in our detailed light painting workshop, so drop us an email or drop us a hi on WhatsApp. You all can get the contact details on our website and on our Instagram page. So we'll be happy to assist you there. Okay. Bye-bye. Good night.